What's going on, everyone? My name is Samuel, and I am a licensed life insurance broker. And I want to kind of share with you about a story, about the importance of life insurance. Oftentimes, people do not worry about getting life insurance until something bad happens. And oftentimes, when you try to go and get life insurance when something is already wrong with your health or a tragic accident happened, you're denied. And this is why I wanted to do my reaction to this video to tell people and communicate with people about the importance of having life insurance. Life insurance is an asset to you. Life insurance is a benefit for you and your family. If anything was to happen to you, you want to make sure that you have something left behind to protect your family once you're gone. And sometimes it could be a hard conversation, but it's a hard conversation that you need to have in order to protect your family for the long run. So let's get into the story as I give you my reaction after the story.
Jay was an amazing person. He had an amazing work ethic, and he was a great dad. We knew that our boys were the most important things in our life, so we decided to purchase life insurance. It turns out that buying life insurance was the best decision we could have made. Jay experienced a series of health issues that resulted in a heart transplant. 18 months after his heart transplant, he suffered an arrhythmia and died in our home. My world stopped, and I never imagined that I would be a widow at 40 and raising 3 children on my own. This wasn't how my life was supposed to be. My children were not supposed to grow up without their father.
It was a tremendous shock to me, and it was obviously a tremendous shock to Sarah and her family. I often hear people say that it won't happen to them, but we know that it happens to people every day.
Yes.
Sarah and Jay were an average couple, and tragedy struck out of the blue. And it's important to remember that using life insurance is a great way to prepare should the worst happen.
Jay's life insurance has given me the ability to maintain my children's lifestyle and to keep living as normal as we possibly can through this process. It's important to tell Jay's story because I want other people to have the same gift that I have. Jay's life insurance has been a true financial lifeline for myself and my family.
Let me tell y'all something, man. Powerful story. Powerful story. If you care enough about your family, get life insurance. When me and my wife got married back in 2016, my wife suffered from 2 cerebellum strokes a couple years after we got married. We didn't know that she was going to get a stroke. We didn't have a crystal ball that we can look into the future and it was like, no, we need to have this so that way we'll be protected. But let me tell you something. This is the mindset that you need to have. And if you don't have life insurance, you need to have this type of mindset right now. You need to take control of your life right now, and you need to contact me. I'll have my credentials in the caption of this video where you can text life insurance to my business number, or you can even email me, and we would definitely where you can set up a consultation with me, and we can definitely go over your goals and your plans and your strategy to protect you and your family. Because the last thing you want is to something to happen to you, and you may have to set up a GoFundMe. You may have to set up something or ask money from family or friends to be able to cover the funeral expenses, to be able to cover certain things, and just the way of life. Because the reality of the situation is, y'all, even if something happened to your spouse, bills still go on. Finances must still go on. And I want to help you to protect your family. Talk to you soon.